It is November 21st, 2010, and it is snowing. Not even Thanksgiving yet, and it's snowing. What is up with this? And it's sticking. Here comes a little girl to keep the snow company. What do you think? Andrea, what do you think?
It's snowing. I love it.
You like it?
Here comes my guest.
What's her name?
Isabel.
What's your name?
Isabel.
Isabel. What do you think of the snow?
Good.
Good.
And I think it's good too. And fun. Yeah.
Me
And
too.
really fun now.
How retarded does a little kid become?
She lost her hat. Shake it off. Hey,
Look.
get your head out of the way.
Look. Look. Look at my nose. Look at my nose. Look at my nose. Say that to you. You can't do it because you just got
Brittany! Let me see the snow on your head. You got snow on your hair. Let me see. Come closer.
Whoa! Look! Guys! Guys, come with me. Look. Step in. You. Yo. Just step over that. Ah!
You can't walk or
Oh, it's actually sticking. Mia!
Hi.
Have you come to join the party? Why do you have the phone outside? It's not gonna work if you make it too cold.
No, you can go all the way down to the end of that street, and then it cuts off.
I know, but it's cold.
So?
So it might make
Hey guys, look what I found. Bouncy ball.
might make it stop.
Whoa.
Oh, tricycle!
You go all the way. All the way.
It is all the way.
It's not.
Yes, it is.
Riding your tricycle in the snow.
Natalie, I had some on my nose. Me too. No, Freya, you have to use.
If the camera's a little bit shaky, it's because I'm cold.
Are you cold?
A little bit. I'm not all decked out like you guys.
Oh, look at it. That's big. Now lefty.
Isabel's hit. Times. No. Times. No, the garage is times. Well, we can't all go on times.
Oh, it's okay. Brittany's still left.
What are you doing, Brittany?
We're safe. She's out.
Watch out for the car, you guys.
I'm on fire. I'm on fire, my ball.
We can't always go